Welcome to a new video from the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a different video for you to tell me which one you think is the reason why this engine, which we changed the fuel return hoses a few weeks ago, is they have damaged again. The owner has asked us and we have told him it was the reason. I would like you to put it in the comments, see if you have also realized what the reason is, so that these return hoses of fuel, they are damaged again, and they are throwing the fuel from the return out of the engine. Well, here I leave this video. I will tell you the solution in a future video, later. But surely, most of you will have guessed it. Well, as I always say, thanks for subscribing to the channel and for the likes that you give me.